Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hotjar, analyze heat maps and recording step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Hotjar website in your browser. Once on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click the login button to be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Hotjar dashboard. From the dashboard, you can access various features like heat maps and recordings. To analyze heat maps, click on the Heatmaps option in the navigation menu. You will see a list of your existing heat maps. To create a new heat map, click on the New Heat Map button. Follow the prompts to set up your heat map by entering a name and selecting the desired URL. Once set up, click Create Heat Map to generate it. To view recordings, navigate back to the dashboard and click on the Recordings section. Here, you can see all recorded sessions of user interactions. Use filters to narrow down the recordings based on specific criteria. Select a recording to view detailed insights of user behavior on your site. Take notes on key findings that can help improve user experience. Repeat these steps as needed to continue analyzing heat maps and recording. This process will enhance your understanding of user interactions on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.